mo daloleti fo pare joran dol fanam be mbulu ma yalan ko ni lafta masino jindila nka wole use nka fo me winch jama ni nyanta masino jindila mba wole nka wole use nga masino jindi ba ni wonten kay ni naman ke masin jindote mamra kudo bije men kolyata jet adum fen fanan dalolen anin karan ni ya karan fo pare inata dalala isa do kuno nyawo nyama diate ha ara manke ko ni moto betenne o dalta ni moto dama ndaka moto sifal bele doko generator fanan ka sifa bele doko man na doko man dan moto dama alun kamen doko generator to mbuga wo fon doko motor
kabiri ben doko start la apart from your parents ka ila parents amanke parents ol damal minni discourage nun ka foy ko ado ko lade te musolti fo la friends ol fantinu jemi ya ko ila fake discourage nun ka foy te musuto bita fita ya
kay mbonyol be nun jele man yalan ko hanin tambite la fan e ka fo nyoko ite la fute fan kala keta do de keno la keta te musolti e nyanta ka musu do ko ker bar mbuke danko e kan provoke la nyawo diate bar mbuke danko ka to ntengalo nkata dan mbela frindame adun lafta futala dame adun bi manul be ka fonu il faut bi fon wol fon le nyabutante fe il faut nyaabe bolan fe ndala badi on sa fono bala fala tina roye wo fonu adun na health kenya bari kabri nataje ko ale ma ko ndunta kono bari tol fana be selari no menna ala man na woke il fana nata inata encourage dinna inata encourage din
nyindo wo honete mun nafa kule sotoje
ngana fa ba soto jele kato abe damenteng naman ke nanyin ke mati atele kam ma ko di no la kuoto bari mba do ko men ke kanteng hani wato fo manyin garaso yele folo nka fe on fen soto je nka di no topoto wala ila school fees ila uniform ila schooling dal nka topoto nka soto nyin fen ko nin do ko ha
bari musu dol jemi yalon ko be banta ila fanal duna fita kono bari man hañi dol ba fala ko liata ko ya fenu ñami rek ila friends sol ke discourage no ñami lafte fanke la kelti ide mu yaman le sote be mu folo wol min sax ne français ise correction no pour kana do ñi filo ko
ko mi nga fonu ñami ro yalon fon fen angale ke english ka fo ñami determination olen ni a determination no soto to isa keno hani do moro fo ni yalon di ko to ni ta fon sita ko ita keno le da hono yala mote force no la do ko fana be wala nyam ni fon fenje ni lafta kala iba kala ba ni ko ita keno ro ita keno la balo fana ibuka wulu ro ye fenno fo ye balo dalindala ndebe damente man dalisiol nin sita ten hani tili kilim man balo mama nka sasa so fo nga wuli ron hana be kala so kono fo nga wuli nga fen nyini be men kala ma yalon ko fo mbalo si mama dolbe je fa hani lol fo ndela ka sika nga fara so kono jos pour mbalo e mama o nga tara ka tum mbalo dal talal nin sita hani tili kilim man mbalo mama ndro nka sasa hani sasa da fanan sita so kono nim kende ata damen ro siyo fo kan fitil saje la nga finti ni wati be kono fo man kende an kono nen nata do ko la anim be
ka hamuso do ka ko ke wolon ko beti
wala ma beti
ya maroti be dira mulla mi ala fa na fa na nyim business o kono
ikana sila ka to ni lafta dunna fen fento o lafta fen fenkela ni sila ta roy bu ka keno fo pa ni ba kala fa e kay la moy molla wala e ka ko ma jube e bu ka ta ka to mol yela forol le soto moli la foro le soto ite balino la kuma fol bari ketulo le kasila ye nya kasila ite hamo mo menti anu lefta menkela ite continue wala dron sinin soma ni aji ko nyi wode mba batande ka nyinto wala mba fenke ka nyimbe kuma fo ka nyiye pura nyim bula bari hani sa baka bari na faajele de itol fana ni keta moti iba trailale ite fana tambita dame itol fana bela fula bulale noma pour ye men soto fana ya soto bari jama fana ka tara ayidan jama ka ke wala nyam ndebe me ya mar la musol la ro siyo man na fa soto amana na fa soto keto amana na fa soto musol so nga wuli ama ndol bete tarano la ofisoto woman possible hada ma dingo mumete tarano la ofisoto adu hada ma dingo fana mumete tarano la doku dolto fo nga janja fo nga janja bari momo e fen soto e lafta men kela kana si ka foko ninga nyinke molbe diamulala mol la forol wolbe da kono yake yafo imake yafo
badingol ngin ne sotale nu alla bi menkata programme to bari ballahi la ko tenke alse bulanno masibiti min kana nga programme ko tongol na fena nga ba janni wodron ba falale na la tanyum programme jubela an jiarte sa programme ko tengol alsan na website mi mu www.grts.gm je fanan alse grts radio sotono live bal tentula bal jala alla jibir ku nyimala annal badi mala nu fatu jasi
Kamengere na dari apiyezo kalikunindi Aisha mane o kamengere na dari apiyezo mayo kalikunindi
Good evening, viewers, and welcome to the Education Forum with me, Samuel Ba. In tonight's edition, I have members of the Task Force Committee on the Verification of Private Schools, and they will be talking about their mandates because it has come to the notice of the ministry that some schools are operating illegally. On my far left is Mr. Esa Sow, the Deputy General Secretary of the Gambia Teachers Union, and on my immediate right is Ibrahim Sisaho, the Deputy Permanent Secretary, Admin, Department of State for Basic and Secondary Education. And next to him is Mr. Usman Cisse, the Principal Assistant Secretary, also at the Ministry of Basic and Secondary Education. Gentlemen, you're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
I start with Mr. Ibrahim Sisaho. Can you tell us what this task force is all about, or what are the committee's terms of reference?
Before I give you the mandate of the task force, maybe it will be useful if I give you the background that led to the establishment of this task force. It all started in July 2011, the CCM of Region 1. You know, as part of the coordinating committee meeting, we identify a date, then the team will go to the schools and then evaluate what they're doing. So it was during this process then it was discovered that there are a lot of private schools that were operating illegally, meaning they don't have the permission to operate. But what makes it worse is that apart from operating illegally, some of these schools also were operating below standard, I mean, the operating condition of the schools. Because we discovered that some schools are even located in unfinished structures. We have a lot of sanitation problems also, like poor sanitation, lack of water in some schools, and even lack of toilet in some schools. I remember that when the school report was being presented, the permanent secretary was very angry, and then the minister as well. So it was then that he decided to establish this task force. Now coming back to your question, the mandate of the task force. We don't have the power to close schools. That's just to dispel some of the misconception. It's only the minister that has the authority, as per Education Act, to declare a school closed and to declare a school open. The task force, our mandate is to go to the schools, to these private schools, and check their standard as enshrined in the Education Act. You see, Education Act makes it very clear conditions that are to be established for schools to be established. So the task force derived guidelines out of this Education Act, and then it was these guidelines that we use to evaluate these schools.